before I was with lead acid batteries, so that you just slowly start slowing down, and then all of a sudden by the end of the day you either have no juice at all, or you're to the point where you couldn't get through a grass patch if you tried. It just doesn't have any more power. But not only does lithium last the entire day, I've never run out of battery juice, but they also are more consistent. You got that flat curve, and it just complete power
100%
all
power.
day. So that was kind of when I realized like how big of a game changer it is, and the simple fact that I haven't had any issues. I don't have any maintenance.
Yeah,
dude,
they're clean, they're simple, there's no I mean, it's so easy, and it's super easy to swap them in and out. When I replace my lead acid batteries, they it's just as basic as it gets, and they just absolutely work. It's true, man. Lead is dead. It really is.